This video is for those who'd like to hear what a Multistrada 2013 Pikes Peak sounds like with the mid-pipe fitted and the cat removed. It is noisy, it's loud. If you don't like it too loud, do not do this mod. It's a short video just to show what it looks like. See the mid-pipe replaced catalytic converter. There's a short term still fitted. Slight mod to the cover over there, just to make it fit a bit better. I'll start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. As you can hear, it is loud, but I love it. Enjoy. Cheers.